This morning's cigar review is brought to you in part by me. Stepping out here on the boat, and we're going to have ourselves a nice morning Gurkha Titan with our cup of coffee. A little breezy out here. Earthy, nutty, mellow, a little bit of cream. I don't taste any pepper. This is going to be a good cigar. It's toasty, cedary. It's called a medium body. It's going to be a real good cigar. Gurkha makes some great and not so great cigars. This is definitely one of the better ones that I've had.
They're like yogurt covered. Come on, let's go find a good spot.
What's up, boys? Gurkha Titan. Woo! You know that thing be busting more. Get the fuck up out of my damn face. Awesome cigar. The more I smoke this, the more I'm impressed. This is sensational. Very good. The wrapper is fantastic. The smoke is fantastic. The taste is fantastic. And it's burning pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's burning pretty good.
The shop. I know.
8 out of 10 all day long, guys. I'm getting down to the last third of this cigar. This was a big stick. We've been on the water. I'm going to go enjoy this. But Gurkha Titan, 8 out of 10, medium body smoke. It's just great. See y'all later.